A lot of people say they can't meditate, and honestly, that reaction makes sense. Trying to quiet the mind can feel like attempting to stop a train that has been moving at full speed all day. When the thoughts don't instantly disappear, many assume meditation isn't working. Others believe it is pointless, just sitting there doing nothing. In reality, meditation was never meant to force the mind into silence. It is a gradual shift. The brain begins to move out of constant stress-driven speed and into calmer rhythms, and when that happens, perception changes in subtle but powerful ways. Attention becomes sharper, emotional reactivity begins to soften, creativity increases. The deeper pattern recognition systems of the mind, what many people call intuition, start becoming easier to notice. Meditation is not an escape from reality, and it is not wasted time. It is simply giving the brain a few uninterrupted minutes to move out of survival mode thinking so it can operate with greater clarity, awareness, and insight than it usually has access to during the noise of everyday life. Most people also think intuition is some rare psychic ability that only a few individuals are born with. The truth is much simpler. Intuition is always operating in the background of the mind. It constantly processes patterns, signals, and subtle information long before conscious thought catches up. The reason many people don't experience it clearly is because mental noise drowns it out. Activating intuition is not about learning something complicated. It is about creating moments of stillness, so the deeper processing already happening inside the brain can finally become noticeable. You can begin by slowing your breathing slightly and shifting your attention inward. Let the urgency of the day soften for a moment instead of trying to solve everything immediately. Bring to mind a simple question or situation you want clarity on. Don't analyze it. Don't force an answer. Just hold the question gently in awareness while remaining relaxed. As you do this, subtle impressions may begin to appear. Quiet feelings of direction may surface. Insights sometimes arrive without effort. For me, intuition often shows up as quiet signals, long before anything visible happens. Sometimes a thought appears that feels random at first, yet later connects perfectly to something that unfolds. At other times, it comes as a strong sense of déjà vu, a feeling that I have stepped into a moment I somehow recognized beforehand. Occasionally, it arrives through vivid or symbolic dreams that only make sense after events begin to line up. Over time, I learned that these moments are not about predicting the future. They are about noticing subtle information most people overlook. The small, intuitive nudges that say, "Pay attention." This is the same awareness I bring into my psychic and mediumship sessions. I help clients tune into the emotional, energetic, and intuitive signals within themselves, so healing can occur from understanding rather than force. Intuition rarely arrives as loud certainty. It is usually a calm sense of knowing that becomes clearer the moment the mind stops overthinking. When practiced consistently, even for a few minutes at a time, this shift trains the brain to recognize and trust those deeper signals more quickly. The real secret to activating intuition is not discovering something outside yourself. It is learning how to quiet the internal noise just long enough to hear what your mind has been processing all along. Humanfluence, out.